What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create 20, 22 and 60 photos trend. So if you are seeing this trend on TikTok or Instagram Reels, here is exactly how you can create 20, 22 in 60 photos. All you have to do guys, you want to just open your App Store or Play Store and download Capcut. Don't worry guys, this is not a complicated thing to do, very easy. I didn't expect this to be this easy honestly. So all you have to do guys is download Capcut. As you can see here, search for Capcut on your Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. As after that, click search. Now what you want to do guys, you want to select the Capcut video editor. So a lot of people think that the Capcut is like another company, but the owner of Capcut is like the same owner on TikTok. So TikTok made this app, okay? TikTok are the owner of this app. Now what you want to do guys, you want to download Capcut like I said. Now after you download it, just click on allow. Like it will just ask you to give permission so that you can take pictures from your iPhone or Android phone. Just click allow. Now after that guys, you will find Capcut here. You don't have to open it, just go to TikTok. Now after you go to TikTok guys, you want to click friends here. The trend by the way. So you want to go to friends here. As you can see at the very bottom left, you want to click on friends. Now in the top guys, in the top you want to search for 20, 22 and 60 photos. Let's search for this. Now after that guys, you want to click the first video or whatever. Just make sure it has this Capcut. Try this template. Some videos don't have this feature, some videos have it. Just search for the video that you want, where it like make sure it says 20, 22 in 60 photos, and make sure you click on Capcut and try this template. Click it. Click on use template in Capcut. As you can see, click on use template in Capcut. Now as you can see here guys, you want to click on use template at the very bottom right. As you can see, use template. Now guys, if you can see here in the top right, you will see here photos. You want to just click on photos so that you can select the 60 photos. Keep in mind that this will take you a few minutes if you want to select like a specific photos, but for me I'm just going to select any photo here. So I'm just going to select 60 photos. Now after that guys, after you select 60 photos, you will see this preview at the very bottom right. Click on preview. Now just give it a few seconds and it will load. Now after that guys, you will see all the video here. If you like it or not, just watch it and see if you like it like this. As you can see here, same photos keep repeating because I didn't select 60 different photos. I just selected the same photo 60 times. So now after that guys, you want to click add sound in TikTok in the top right. Click on add sound in TikTok and it will take you directly to TikTok. Now you are not using Capcut anymore, you are on TikTok with the video that you have created. This is the beauty of this app. Now you are on TikTok, as you can see here. Now if you want to add any sound guys, in the top you can see here add sound. You can select, you can search here and search for the trend that you want. For example, 60 photos in 2022, and you will find a lot of sounds that look good with the video that you are creating. Click next at the very bottom right, and here you will have to type your like hashtags and stuff like that. You don't have to type hashtags if you don't want. Just click post, and that's how you can post guys the video using the Capcut. Hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.